up-and-coming Jeep Wrangler pickup truck has been a closely guarded vehicle for a while, and as a result, quite a few photos have been from quite a distance and sometimes a tad blurry. These new shots are exciting because they're taken much closer and are very clear. Unfortunately, FCA is still being very careful with camouflage, and as a result, there isn't much to see here. You can definitely tell that from the C-pillar forward, the truck is practically identical to the 2018 Wrangler Unlimited, down to the rear doors that are angled to clear the Unlimited's rear wheels. That's not necessary here, so there's a large section of sheet metal between the door crease and the fenders. We're curious how Chrysler will address that to keep it from looking awkward. We also get another look at the rear suspension. As we previously reported, the rear suspension seems to share more in common with the Ram 1500 than the Wrangler SUV. The shock placement and low anti-roll bar are among the details that are very Ram-esque. Like both the Ram and the Wrangler, the Scrambler will use coil springs at all four corners, and as with the Wrangler, the front axle is solid, too.